with this air show. A great Californian, a great American, and we'll tell you more about that once we get them. They go one by one. The P-40, the two P-38 Lightnings, and then a very rare P-51 variant. And you're going to see another one up close too, beautifully maintained Allison engine. A little bit earlier, and not the part of the burn. I'm confusing everybody, including myself right now, but believe me, what we're putting together right now is going to be absolutely beautiful. Piloted by Bernie Vasquez, who began flying at the age of 11, where he traded pumping gas for flying lessons, which eventually led him to a solo flight on his 16th birthday. The director of maintenance for the Texas Flying Legends, now rebranded to the Dakota Territory Air Museum, and it goes on and on from there. Look at how beautifully he flies, and look how beautiful that aircraft is. His life takes some interesting turns. His wife is a police officer, and of course, Bernie's here to salute. Vacaville police officer Matthew Bowen passed away just a day ago after a fatal collision during his tour of duty. While initiating a traffic stop, Officer Bowen was struck by a passing vehicle. The driver of that vehicle suspected to be under the influence. Officer Bowen is survived by his wife Liz and their two young sons. You can help support Officer Bowen's family through Porac's Fund a Hero website, where they're raising money to support Officer Bowen's family. If you're willing to follow Vacaville Police Officers Association on their Facebook page, there's a link there that will take you to... reflecting the moonlight above and the setting sun behind. Just beautiful. So that we can celebrate the freedoms, and all they ask is that we never forget their sacrifices. So let her know we will always remember. Mona, thank you, lest we forget. With a guy who cares a whole lot about that and his passion for these older planes, Bernie Vasquez. Now all our pilots give you the ultimate photo pass, the opportunity to lift, making it look picture perfect. Don't miss the shot. Bernie Vasquez of the P-51A. You see it take off right now. Represents a different era as we salute the past. It will be back very shortly. More than 75 years after serving in the U.S. Air Force, flying missions over Europe, Brigadier General Clarence E. Anderson, better known as Bud, died peacefully in his sleep. He was 102. Born in California, learned to fly at 19, served 2 combat tours during World War II, escorted heavy bombers over Europe. During his military service, Anderson earned 25 medals, including 2 Legion of Merit, 16 Air Medals, and many campaign and service ribbons. He attended this air show many times over the years. He was loved by us all, and he will be missed by us all. Ladies and gentlemen, a real American hero. Bernie Vasquez returns to work with the P-51, and I direct your attention now to center and... Ladies and gentlemen, but never forgotten, the missing man formation for Bud Anderson. Thank you all. And now, ladies and gentlemen, these aircraft will return one by one so you get a closer and better look and listen to all of this history. Kevin Eldridge in a P-38. Steve Hinton in a P-38 as well. P-40 Kitty Hawk. Aaron is flying the Kitty Hawk, and John Hinton the P-51A from the Planes of Fame Museum. They approached first the P-38 Lightning, the purring Allison engines. The P-40. Planes of Fame, so close to us here. Maintained again. Respectfully flown by our pilots tonight as a tribute to the past. As we inch even closer, the darkness and the spectacle that's about to unfold. Representing the squadron with Bob Flew. Again, as it continues to get darker still. The aircraft of the past circled the Sea Fury and the MiG-17 still to come. The Patriot parachute team jumping into the dark night sky with all sorts of
construction of motor, and it's one of the last of the Bristol Centaurus engines flying today for a loop with a roll on top. Let's see. Listen to the engine as it comes by. It's a very unusual sound for reciprocating engine.